Hello everybody, welcome back to Initial Solution. In this video, I will show you how to fix common issues with your Instagram account, whether you're facing login problems, bugs, or account restrictions. So let's begin the video. At first, make sure you are using the updated version of Instagram. An older version of the apps can cause many problems. Open the Google Play Store, search for Instagram. If an update is available, tap Update. Updating your app can resolve many bugs and improve performance. Also, clearing the app cache can help fix persistent bugs. Open Settings and go to Apps, find and tap on Instagram, tap Storage, and then Clear Cache. This removes temporary files that might be causing issues. Restarting your device can clear temporary glitches. Turn off your device completely. Wait a few seconds, then turn it back on. Open Instagram and see if the issue is resolved. If the problem persists, report it to Instagram. Open Instagram, shake your phone, click on Report a Problem, describe your issue, and submit the report. Instagram's team can then work on resolving the issue. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.